Okay guys, come with me. Now, right here, I'm on the bridge. As you can see downside, it's all vehicles. It's a highway. Vehicles are taking a very high speed. So the human beings, all the people, the pedestrians, we use this side. The bridge to cross over. Can you show them where we came from? We came from this side, and then we heading to this. We're heading to this metro side down there. So this is how it looks like when you're on the top. And the stadium where we're from is just right here. Very close. Okay, that's now you go to the stadium. Come with me. Here view of the highway. Because passing through the tunnel from this side to this side, and on the top of the bridge that helps you cross. Most the pedestrians, mostly, cross from one end to another. Okay? The disabled can also use this because there is no like stairs, there is nothing much difficult. It's very easy to walk. You can easily walk if you have a wheelchair. It's very easy to roll over here from the end to the end. Come with me. This is called the 974 bridge. Okay? It helps you cross from one end to another, from the metro station to the stadium. Then what do you have to say about this one? Have you got a word for them? Have you got a word? If you got a word, I can come grab you so that you can tell them what you need to tell them.
All right.
Okay, yes guys, as I told you that I'll be crossing coming to the metro side. Right now, I'm almost to the metro station, as you can see right here. When you see the M and you're in Qatar, it means that metro station. So right now, I've reached here. And when you see the dome, the structure as well with this catchy color, you can know that you are at the metro station. So this is how the metro station looks like, guys. I'm going to walk through it.
Yeah.
Okay guys, when you see the M, this is the M right here. Can you show them the M? That's the log for metro station. So once you see that one, just know you have reached the metro station. Or if you see this with some arrows, just know it's directing you to the metro station. That's how we do it in Qatar. Come with me, I'll show you the inside of the metro.
The entrance is over here.
The entrance is somewhere this side, this side.
That one is closed.
So this side. This is the metro station. You'll have to walk the way around to the other side. Actually, the metro station has got some areas where you can park your bicycle. Show them. If you need to park your bicycle, you'll find this space here, right here. You park your bicycle and get whatever where you need to go. Come with me. as well as the name of the metro station will be right there at the entrance and the exit number. This is entrance 1 or exit 1. If you get out of the metro station, you will just walk in the way I'm going to show you and then get inside.
Where is the bus going?
I'm not so sure about where it's going. And there is always some buses, some bus stations. So like at the metro, when you reach the metro station, you'll catch a bus. You can walk to where you're going, or you can take a Uber or a Karwa. Okay. So
The car is expensive, right?
it's not expensive. It's affordable. It's actually Moaslat is one of the best companies providing transportation right here in Qatar. It's the best. Come with me.
What can you say?
It's the best, one of the best. It's the best, not one of the best, it's the best. This is how it looks like. You can show them around how the metro station looks like. Come with me. So right now we're already in the metro station. You have to just press one button and then you get going. So this is the elevator. Normally they show you the capacity of the people that is taking. This one is taking 1,600 kilograms. Yeah, so that's around 8-10 people. So there is the entrance. Good morning. Okay, you too. Okay. Right here you will have to tap in. So this is how to get to the So when you get to the train or in the substation, there is always the board that shows you where I need to go. I think we will take this side because we're going to the side. So we'll take this one.
We're going to Musharraf.
Yeah, we're going to Musharraf.
And which section is on Musharraf?
Yeah. Perfect. We came into the very nice. So, guys, we're already in the train. We're heading to Musharraf. Musharraf, that's the intersection where the three lines meet in Qatar. That's the red. We have the gold, the yellow, some call it yellow, some call it gold. So, and the green. So we've got 3 lines. So we're going to the intersection where they meet, the intersection of the 3 lines. So that's where we're heading. You can just have a seat and enjoy.
This train is for Al
So
Aziziyah.
as the train is
next
going,
station is National
you can
Museum.
see
Passengers are reminded
this
not to leave
way
their
in the tunnel
belongings
because this train
unattended.
it's down in the ground, so we pass underneath the ground. As you can see, it's very safe, very enjoyable, as you can see.
We have
Yes, Rasababu is the station where we are from, and we're heading to Sherib. I think there is some few stations in between, like 2 or 3. Yes, Sherib is the 3rd station. So we have 2 stations in between, and the 3rd one it will be the Sherib, where we will change to catch the red line going to the city center. I know those that have been viewing my channel for a long time. I know you guys, you know what I mean when I say city center. Okay.
This way, this way.
All right. Okay, inshallah, inshallah. You will collect that, inshallah. Okay, now let me make some.
Don't have to shoot people here.
So guys, this is the intersection 3 lines. It's a very busy station. As you can see right there, we have reached the ECC. So guys, I'll take you on the way out to get out, and then
Let's go.
okay, on our way out, we just stop the lift or the elevator. It will close. Only more. So the lift will take us up to -1. As I told you, we riding in the ground, in the soil. So we will come up and then we'll try to find our exit or our way out. This side we have way to trains. You can show them that signage.
You were sleeping or what? What were you
And then this side, we've got the exit. We can use that one. I think
Yeah.
that one's all interest. Let's use
Huh?
that one instead.
Yeah, exit this one.
Okay. Alright. So we'll take our exit. All you need to do is to get your Metro card, which is this, and swipe it. Swipe it right here, and then you'll be getting out.
boyfriend isingazivi kuti machokolate aya anenge ari paside petiwa njoni.
So this way we end into the exit. In the metro station we've got some shops, as you can see. Some coffee shops. Right now, as I told you that I'll be coming to the city center.
You have to shout.
All the way from the metro, and now I'm at the city center, as you can see. Backside of you. Check the backside. So right now I'm in the city center, and then that's the end of this video. Thank you.